Fish. Sully, it's all fish. I think I saw. Hello.
Hola.
Mom, if you see this, I wish you guys were here. I'm serious. Mean it. Well, be there, Brian. Brian, say hello to the camera, brother. It stings so dude, I forgot to mention, it does sting a tiny bit.